Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is Best Coins One You Wanna Miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. The 1991 United States 5-cent coin, also known as the Jefferson nickel, in a more detailed and expanded way. Let's go deeper into its historical background, design origins, minting facts, and how it fits into U.S. coinage history. 1991, United States 5 cents coin. Full long history, basic identity coin name. Jefferson nickel denomination, 5 cents, nickel. Country, United States of America. Year of issue 1991 metal composition, 75% copper, 25% nickel weight, 5.00 grams diameter, 21.2 mm edge, plain, smooth, no ridges, obverse, front. Design portrait, Thomas Jefferson, 3rd President of the United States, 1801-1809. Designer, Felix Schlag, a German-American sculptor. First used, 1938. The year the Jefferson nickel series began. In God We Trust Liberty. The year, 1991. Sometimes a mint mark, DS or none for Philadelphia. Who was Thomas Jefferson? Jefferson authored the Declaration of Independence and founded the University of Virginia. His commitment to liberty, democracy, and Enlightenment ideals made him a symbol of American values, hence his appearance on the coin reverse, back design image. Monticello, Jefferson's plantation home in Virginia. Designer, Felix Schlag, same as obverse, e pluribus unum, out of many one. Monticello, 5 cents, United States of America. About Monticello. Monticello is an architectural masterpiece designed by Jefferson himself. It's now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and symbolizes his intellect and creativity. Historical timeline of the nickel years. Type details. 1866-1883, shield nickel first. 5C coin made of copper nickel. Alloy, 1883-1913. Liberty head, V nickel, featured Lady Liberty 1903-1938. Buffalo nickel, Native American on obverse. Bison on reverse 1938-2003. Jefferson nickel, classic. First appearance of Jefferson and Monticello 1942-1945. Wartime silver nickel, 35% silver due to WO2 metal shortages 2004-2005. Westward Journey nickels, special series honoring the Lewis and Clark expedition 2006. Present modern Jefferson nickel. Updated portrait facing forward. Minting information for 1991 mint. Mark location. Mintage Philadelphia, Nunn, Pennsylvania. 605 million Denver. D Colorado, 190 million. San Francisco. S proof California, 2.8 million circulating coins. Made in Philadelphia and Denver proof coins. Made for collectors, not for circulation. Numismatic, collector. Value condition. Approximate value circulated 0.05, face value. Uncirculated 0.25, 1.00 proof. S 1.02's errors, off-center, double die, etc. Varies. Can be 10-100 plus. Tip. Check the coin for doubling. Letters look doubled. Off-center strikes or die cracks. These can increase value. Cultural significance. The Jefferson nickel symbolizes American ideals of liberty, independence, and education. It was the first U.S. coin to feature a U.S. president in profile without a laurel wreath or crown, a break from classical designs. Its longevity, since 1938, makes it one of the most familiar coins in American history. Summary feature details. Coin name Jefferson nickel year, 1991. Portrait. Thomas Jefferson reverse, Monticello metal. Copper nickel. Alloy designer. Felix Schlag circulating mints Philadelphia. Denver proof mint San Francisco legacy in circulation for over 85 years. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.